Top it up, mastering English phrases. Hello, wonderful learners around the globe. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very common English phrase, top it up. If you've heard it in conversation or come across it while reading, you might have wondered what it exactly means. Stick around, because we're about to dive deep into the usage of this handy phrase, so you can start using it correctly in your daily English communication. When you hear someone say, top it up, they're talking about adding to something to bring it to the desired level. Think of a cup of coffee that's not quite full. You might top it up with more coffee or perhaps milk. But it's not just for liquids. This phrase can be used in various situations. Whether you're dealing with a physical object or something more abstract, like a phone credit or a bank account. Let's put top it up into context with some examples. Mobile phones. When your prepaid phone balance is running low, you might need to top it up by purchasing more credit. Fuel. Before a long trip, you'd likely want to top up your car's tank with petrol or diesel. Bank accounts. If you have a minimum balance to maintain, you may need to top up your account to avoid fees. Drinks. At a party, a host might ask if you'd like to top up your glass with more wine or juice. Understanding how to use this phrase can make your English sound more natural and fluent. There are a few phrases that can be used interchangeably with top it up, depending on the context. Fill it up, usually used for liquids or gases. Recharge, commonly used for batteries or mobile phone credit. Reload, can refer to adding funds to cards or accounts. Supplement, more formal, often used in financial or nutritional contexts. In different English-speaking regions, top it up might have slightly varied usage. For instance, in the UK, it is commonly used when discussing mobile phone credit. However, in the US, people might say, add more minutes, or refill, instead. It's fascinating to see how one phrase can have such diverse applications in the English language. There you have it, folks. You've just learned all about the phrase, top it up. We hope this video fills up your knowledge tank and helps you feel more confident in using this phrase. Remember, learning a language is all about getting these little phrases down to sound like a native speaker. Until our next video, keep practicing, and don't forget to top up your learning every day.